If you're a contractor in South Florida, do you know if you're overpaying on your workers' comp? Chances are you might be. Most contractors treat their workers' comp as a fixed expense. It's just part of doing business, right? You need the certificate to get a job, right? But the reality is that your workers' comp should not be set it and forget it. It needs to be managed, reviewed, and optimized as your business changes. Here are 3 specific areas where contractors tend to overpay. Number 1 is misclassified payroll. Not all labor is created equal in the eyes of the insurance companies. If your team is misclassified doing something that's way more dangerous than what they're actually doing, that could be a cause of overpayment. It also works on the flip side. If you have too many people classified as clerical, but in fact they're doing something more dangerous, that will be picked up at the audit time. Number 2 is subcontractor documentation gaps. If you're using 1099s and you're not gathering their proof of insurance or their certificates, guess what? You are on the hook. This is going to show up at audit time and it's going to be an unexpected cost for you. Number 3 is lack of audit strategy. Going into an audit unprepared is one of the fastest ways to overpay on your workers' comp audit. Without a plan, you risk overpaying just for being unprepared. You don't have to become an insurance expert to stop overpaying on your workers' comp. You just need an advocate for your business that understands the ins and outs and can help you classify your employees accurately and manage your subcontractors' certificates. If you're ready to stop overpaying on your workers' comp and ready to have a conversation to help you understand how your workers' comp can be a tool for your business instead of just a line item, at The Bunker, we're ready to help move your business from danger to a safe place.